Strategy number 3, forum link building. Forum link building, as it sounds, involves going out and finding relevant forums and securing a link from within them. It's good for 2 reasons. The first is, when you get a link from within a relevant forum, it allows you to drive targeted traffic to your website. This is super powerful. As we already know, link building has an SEO benefit. However, if we can get an additional benefit of driving targeted traffic to our site as well, then that's a bonus. Forum link building is also good because it allows you to establish a relationship with influencers inside your industry. So a lot of the time you'll find influencers and people with a lot of authority will hang out in these forums as well. So over time you can actually build up a relationship with them, which could potentially help your link building efforts in the future. So how do you find these link building forums? So there's a few ways, 6 in total. All 6 involve using Google search operators. We've got forum plus niche. Obviously, you'd replace the word niche with the niche you're actually targeting. We've got niche plus discussion board. We've also got niche in URL /forums. And we've also got another 3 listed on the right, such as niche powered by vBulletin. You want to make sure you have powered by vBulletin in speech marks. And then below that, we also have in URL /forum niche. And we have in title forum and niche. So these are all the Google search operators you can use to find forums in your niche. If you didn't already know, the top one on the right, niche powered by vBulletin. vBulletin is actually used by most websites that use a forum. So if we use vBulletin, we can find tons of forums very easily. So what I'm going to do now is go over to Google and show you a live example. As I said multiple times already in this course, I don't just want to give you the theory, I want to actually go out there and show you how to do it in a live walkthrough. So let's head over to Google now. So I'm now over on Google and I'm going to use the first Google search operator, which was forum plus niche. So for example, in this video, I'm going to pretend I own a gaming blog which talks about gaming chairs, gaming laptops, and so on and so on. So my main niche is going to be gaming. So I'm simply going to replace the word niche with gaming. And as you can see, Google has now returned tons of search results which are all about gaming forums. We've got gamingdesign.org, which is actually a roundup list of the top 30 gaming forums. We've got Joyfree, the world's #1 gaming forum, and there is tons and tons of results. We can go to page 6, for example, and still get more gaming forums. So it's a really good method. If I actually go over to my notepad and show you how this works with another Google search operator, such as this one here, niche powered by vBulletin, I'll show you exactly how that works as well. It's exactly the same thing, paste in the Google search operator and simply place the word niche with the niche you're targeting. So for me, it's going to be gaming. And as you can see, again, I've got tons of gaming forums all being returned by Google. So let's open this one right here, teamplayergaming.forum. Let's go into any random category, ARK, I'm not sure what game this is about. Seems to be about dinosaurs, so let's just open this one, ARK. Let's open any random one. Let's go for Revival, ARK Revival. As you can see, tons of categories within categories on here. And I'm not sure what this game is about, but if you scroll down, you can see there's loads of people in here talking about this game, this dinosaur right here. This person's actually put a link to, I'm not sure what website it is, something to do about servers. But essentially what we can do is actually sign up for this forum and actually join this conversation. So instead of just joining a forum and then posting a link to your website, what you want to do is actually answer someone's question. So for example, this person right here has said, so anybody still playing ARK? So you can join this forum and then say, hey, I'm still playing ARK. It's a really good game. And if you do enjoy ARK, check out this blog I wrote on my website, which covers another game which is really similar to ARK. I'm sure you will love it too. And then post a link to your website. So as you can see, it's all about getting your link in there naturally. Do bear in mind as well, as to comment on a lot of these forums, you are going to need to sign up with an email address. Most forums are free. If a forum does require you to pay, I would probably just skip it and move on to another forum. So as you're going to need your email address to actually sign up to the forums and actually post a comment, I do recommend you set up a new email address. Otherwise, what you'll find, your main inbox will be just full of notifications and emails, all from people responding to your comments in the forum. So do set up a new email address just for forum link building as well. So to summarize, these links are super powerful as you're getting a link from a forum which is relevant to your industry, which is going to pass on tons of relevancy to your website, which helps a lot and is something you definitely want to look for when getting a backlink back to your website.